guys, welcome to Safi Next. In this video you will learn about plotting simple formula within a Latex document. I will limit the contents of this video to the very basics and will move to higher level in the subsequent videos. So let us start and understand which package do we need for plotting within a Latex document. So you see here I am working in the document class article and I have loaded pgfplots package. In fact, it is this package that enables to plot within a Latex document. There is another package which can be used for the same purpose, and that is tikz. Both packages can equally be used for plotting purposes within a Latex document. However, presently I am using pgfplots, and I have additionally added a command pgfplots set, and inside the argument I have written compare newest. This in fact tells the compiler to use the newest version of the package pgfplots. So let's move. How can we create or generate plots with this package? The plots with pgfplots can be generated within the text picture environment, and the axis for the plot can be generated by using the axis environment within the text picture environment. If I build a document, you will see this will generate. So the axis environment has generated the frame for the plot in the form of this box. We can change the size of this frame by adding an optional argument to the axis environment and adding additional information like width equals 8 centimeter, comma, height equals 6 centimeter. If I build this document again, you see it takes a little longer to render the figure. So here we see now the height and width of the frame has changed. I can label the axis by adding x label command and adding x to the argument. This is, you see the curly bracket, so this is and similarly y label I add them of x. If I build this again, now you see here the horizontal axis is labeled with x and the vertical axis is labeled with f of x. We can change the format of these labels to math format by imposing them inside dollar signs. If I build the document again, now the format of the labels for the horizontal and vertical axis are changed to math format. I can add plot within the axis environment by adding the add plot command, and inside the curly braces as argument to add plot command I add a formula. In this case I add x squared, and then I put a semicolon. Remember, this is a very important command. Without the semicolon, the add plot would give an error and the document will not be processed. So if I build the document now, this is a default output where circles or dots are linked through lines. We can change this format of the plot by adding an optional argument to the add plot command, and I add here color red. Now the dots are removed and it is in fact a straight line curve. I can change the size of the curve by adding the command to the optional argument line width equal to 2 points. Let's say now it is the width of the curve is changed, and similarly I can change it from a solid line to dotted by adding a dotted command in the optional argument to a plot. Now it is dotted, and similarly, and I can change the font to dashed by adding a dashed command. Now it is dashed command. Okay, now let me reduce the size of the figure from 8 centimeter to 6 centimeter. You see, by default the figure is placed to the left of the page. I can change this position to the right or to the center of the page by adding figure environment over here and figure as well. But for figure command, I have to change the preamble and add graphics and package suffix. Now, and within the figure environment, just before the text environment, I add centering. If I build the document now you see the figure is shifted to the center of the page. However, I put the optional argument to the figure environment to place the place. Now it is at its own place. So I can add caption to the figure within the figure environment just after ending the text picture environment by caption command. This is my first figure in Latex. So again build a document. You see the caption here is added to the figure. So this is a simple way of plotting simple formulas in Latex, but keep in mind it always takes a little longer by rendering the figure because Latex was not originally built for plotting.